What color? Huh? Orange or pink? Violet, purple. How about white?
What?
Oh, you want purple?
What else? What else?
Purple. Green. Ay, wash it first. There.
What color do you want?
Wash it there.
Can I wash it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Purple.
I cannot wash it.
Go get purple.
Why?
Yeah.
What?
What?
I cannot wash it.
Wash. This one. Here.
Like this one?
Yeah. You can use that one to also.
So you want us to buy?
Here, oh.
You don't want pink? Okay. Green or orange? Or red? Pink.
What happened to the color?
Oh. What color do you want?
Yeah.
Purple?
Wash it.
Kunin mo ito yan.
Okay. What color? Blue. Yeah.
What color do you want ba?
Orange with blue.
Here.
You can buy
Here, there.
Ito ma'am, sir.
Can you draw smaller ones? Smaller hearts, zero. Para dami.
No, you get
Oh no.
Can you write your name?
Full name?
Maganda yung picture natin, oh. Tago mo. S.
How are you doing?
I'll do it. Oh, see. See, look. E-N. Oh. E-E-N.
What happened like that?
I'll close this muna. Wipe the brush off first. Wipe the brush. Here. Wipe the brush. Yan. Oh. Okay, then dip it in the blue one. Why mix it? Don't mix the color, love.
What color? Ay, are you serious? You need to wash it first. Hey, Haru. Here. Oh no! You go in and not put color on the wine. Go! Go! Wash it! Wash it. Oh, wait.